close. Hey guys, it's Bri. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different type of video for you guys. I decided to try to do a mukbang or mukbang, however you say that. But basically I'm just gonna let you guys know, if you don't like eating sounds or if you don't like watching people eat and you're like it is a pet peeve or something of yours, please exit out the video now, because that's basically what the video is. Like, I'm just gonna eat with y'all and chat. But yeah, I think without further ado, let's just dig in. So I hope you guys are eating something with me so that I don't feel like weird and left out. But basically I have some Subway, but yeah, so I basically got a foot long, and then I have like a little paper plate. I think I'm gonna switch up the angle just so you guys can see what I'm doing maybe. And then I also have Coke. I don't really drink Coke, to be honest, but I don't know. Please excuse my nails. I have to do them. But yeah, so basically what I got a foot long on wheat. It's a ham foot long on wheat, and then I have lettuce, spinach, tomato, cucumber, onion, jalapenos. Low-key the top is kind of soggy, but I don't even know what that is. Okay, and I guess pickles. Shit. Alright, let's dig in. Oh my god, this is a lot. This part of the bread's soggy. If you guys like Subway, let me know what's your favorite thing on the menu. I don't really eat Subway like that. I used to work at Subway, by the way. But yeah, it was really like stuff in my teeth. I actually have work in a little bit. So I already know I'm not gonna be able to finish. Here, I'm gonna like lower it so you guys can kind of see my food better. I don't really have anything to update you guys on. Oops. I don't know. You guys, my exes lately have been hitting me up. And it's just like, why? It's so annoying because like I literally have not thought about my exes in like a long ass time, and then they just hit you up like every couple months. It's like clockwork. Like every couple months they'll be like, hey, like I had one ex last night send me a DM on Instagram. He was like, isn't it your birthday today? Happy birthday, I hope everything's going good. And I'm like, in the back of my head I'm like, girl, you know damn well it's not my birthday. And it's always random too, like what the fuck? I also got mayo on it. I normally get light mayo and then chipotle, but they didn't have any. I want you guys to see the food. That didn't do anything. I only have like a big huge tripod. I don't have like one of the little mini ones that everybody has. I need to get one of those. This shit's messy. So yeah, you guys, my exes have been hitting me up. I don't really know what else I could talk about. There's like literally nothing exciting happening in my life. Oh, they didn't put salt and pepper on mine. If you guys like these type of videos, let me know. And if you don't, also let me know. Oh shit. I'm thinking about doing like a Wendy's mukbang because I've literally never had Wendy's in my whole life. So I kind of want to do a mukbang on that. But if you guys don't like these videos, then I won't do it. But you guys, I do that with all my food. I always like I start eating and then little by little I start picking stuff out. Like, I don't know why I'm like that. Oh. I guess I'll tell you guys that I'm like sort of talking to this guy, but you guys probably don't even give a fuck, but yeah. So I'm like talking to this guy, but I met him through like his sister. So I'm friends with his sister, and then she introduced me to her brother, and then we've been kind of talking, but I kind of don't want to go out with him or like make anything official because I don't know. For one, I feel like I don't need a man. Like, it's a hot girl summer, bitch. I'm just kidding, but yeah, I feel like I don't need a man. Like, what the heck. And then also I don't want to go out with him because like if things don't work out, then it's just gonna be weird. Like, then I won't really be as close to my friend as I was before. So I don't know, it was kind of messy. I feel like I'm fucking boring. Like, I have nothing to talk about because literally my life is so boring. Like, it's crazy. I was gonna start watching Stranger Things, but I don't know. I just haven't really just sat down and like started it. But I've been watching Minute to Win It. So if you've been watching that or if you've watched that before, isn't it so fucking fun? Like, who wouldn't want to win like some fucking money? Alright guys, so I think that's it for today's video. I'm already stuffed and I have to go to work in a little bit, so I don't want to overeat and then feel like crap at work. So yeah, but if you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for future videos, go ahead and let me know in a comment down below. And if you want, you can follow me on my social media. I have my Instagram in the description box below. And I think that's all that I have to say. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.